welcome to Mac at Ya, video tutorials for Mac users. Today we're going to look at a new feature in Leopard called stacks. Stacks allow you to organize your documents into the dock and be able to access them quickly. By default, when you start up Leopard, you'll see two stacks on your dock. One is for downloads and the other is your documents. So here you see my documents. I can click on a particular document in there and it opens up in the application, simple as that. There's a downloads folder as well that's also a stack. Clears up your desktop, unlike Tiger that was cluttering your desktop with downloads. Here everything goes into a separate file. I can also organize and add additional stacks to my dock. Here I have a magazines folder in my documents that I want to have a little more handy access to. So what else I'll do is I'll drag and drop it right onto the dock and it automatically becomes a new stack. Click on that and my documents spring up. I can click on the document I want to read and it opens up in the application right away. I don't have to use Finder and look for the document and double click on it. So that's stacks for you. Very handy and a great new feature of Leopard. Also wanted to cover today a little bit about smart folders. We'll go very quickly into smart folders. It's a good way of finding documents, organizing your documents. Here I'll create a new smart folder, and what I'm going to do is create it based on the modification date, and I want to find all the documents that I've changed in the last month. So just keeping my most recent documents handy to find. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and add that attribute for the last modified date, and I've selected within the last month, and you'll see here a list automatically pops up. It's a good way to quick filter and find documents outside of the Finder if you don't know a particular keyword and you know the date. The other thing you can do is I can save this. In this case, I'll call it this month's files. And if you notice the checkbox on the left tells it to put it into the sidebar, and it will join the other default ones that are there. So here I've created a new smart folder called last month files. You'll see it shows up in my on the left hand side there, and I also have the other ones today, yesterday, which are created by default in the Finder. So a quick way to find documents. Hope you find it useful. Thanks for joining us here, and have fun with your Mac. And don't forget to post questions for anything you'd like to see from Mac at Ya. Take care. Bye-bye.